Hello everyone, and welcome to the channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at one of the most useful and powerful machines in modern woodworking, the bandsaw machine. This machine is designed to cut wood quickly, accurately, and efficiently, making it an essential tool in professional workshops, furniture factories, and timber processing facilities. The process begins with selecting the right piece of wood. Before cutting, the timber is carefully inspected for cracks, knots, moisture, and other defects. The wood is then measured and marked according to the required dimensions. Proper preparation helps reduce waste and ensures that every cut produces the best possible result. Now, let's take a closer look at the machine itself. The main component is the continuous bandsaw blade. Unlike a traditional circular saw, this blade forms a continuous loop and travels around large wheels inside the machine. Sharp teeth along the blade continuously move through the cutting area, allowing the operator to make smooth and controlled cuts. Before starting the machine, the operator checks the blade tension and alignment. The blade guides are adjusted according to the thickness of the material, while the work table is positioned to provide stable support. These adjustments are important for maintaining accuracy and preventing unnecessary vibration during operation. Once everything is ready, the motor starts and the large wheels begin rotating. The band blade moves continuously at high speed. The operator carefully places the wooden workpiece onto the table and slowly guides it toward the blade. As the blade enters the wood, small chips begin to fall away. The machine gradually moves through the material, creating a clean and accurate cut. The operator maintains steady pressure and follows the marked cutting line carefully. One of the biggest advantages of a bandsaw machine is its versatility. It can produce long straight cuts, narrow strips, angled cuts, and even complex curved shapes. This makes